Welcome to Mathenatic. In this video, we'll discuss the properties of the Future Value Annuity for grade 12 mathematics before we move into practical examples. The first thing that I want you to know is that the Future Value Annuity can be found on the formula sheet. And the formula is F is equals to X, and in brackets we have 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. And what we want to calculate with a future value annuity is some sort of investment growth that we will receive in the future. For example, like a retirement fund or some sort of saving in which we make monthly or regular payments. Now notice what I said, X represents payments. It does not have to be monthly payments only. We can also make quarterly payments, weekly, daily, or semi-annually, which means twice in a year. N represents the number of payments, but not the duration. So N is not years, but rather the number of payments. So if I make monthly payments over 5 years, then my N amount is 5 times 12, which is 60 payments. So that is a common mistake that students make, is they say N is 5 years or whatever the question says, but it's actually the amount of payments. So you take the N value and you multiply it by the amount of compoundings per year. Next we have I, and in our formula we have I at 2 places, and this is the interest rate as a decimal. And again, we need to be careful. If I say the interest rate is 15% compounded monthly, then for I, I'll have 15% over 12. Or you can say I is equals to 0.15 divided by 12. So I is not only the interest rate as a decimal, but you also need to consider the amount of compoundings or compound periods within 1 year. And then finally, F is the accumulated value or the future value. So in our question, we know that we need to use this formula when we see the wording say we save money that we will receive in future or make some sort of investment in which we will make regular payments. In the following videos, we'll do exam type questions based on the future value annuity. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to Mathenatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.